introduction to Cool Survey. So here on my desktop we have CoolSurveys. Alright, so just a click on CoolSurvey, and the CoolSurvey doesn't ask for phone number verification, but once you reach the threshold, you can withdraw from CoolSurveys. It's not a big deal on signing up on CoolSurveys. You just need to click on sign up if you don't have an account. And one thing that you need to know is, for you to work on the CoolSurveys, you will need to install the app on the phone. It doesn't work on the website, so you just have to sign up here and then put whatsoever email you wish to use. For me, I'll be using this email address, and I'll pause the video and then put the password. Okay, so then click on sign up. Now I will receive okay, let's wait. Okay, click on sign up. Let's wait and see what will happen. Okay, so immediately click on sign up. It will take you to the dashboard on a CoolSurvey. So you just have to wait for the surveys to load, and then remember that as you go through surveys, you need the demographics. In the first video where I did an introduction to surveys, I talked about a good demographics that will help to build a profile. So when you have a good demographics, then working through surveys is just sweet and easy. Cash out just makes it easier. Okay, so I think because of the network, let's just wait for it to pop up. If it doesn't pop up, then just know that once you sign up on CoolSurvey, if you have a good network connection, the surveys will load up here, and I'll show you a screenshot on the survey dashboard, okay, on how it looks like if this doesn't open. Alright, so let me pause the video and then go look for a screenshot on CoolSurvey dashboard. Okay, but for a walkthrough, let's click on withdraw. So you can see that withdrawal option will unlock once you reach $10 on CoolSurvey. So you can earn this $10 in 7 days. Consistently working on CoolSurvey, this is very easy. I've cashed out from this website several times. Okay, so there is no issue if you have challenge going through this. If there are challenges, so you can withdraw, you can cash out through PayPal, Amazon gift card, and Google Play. Alright, so now this is the dashboard. Alright, so for a start, I have to start the survey with 0.01 for 3 minutes. Okay, so after that I'll begin to receive more surveys. I will show you a screenshot on CoolSurveys. Alright, okay, so here is how the dashboard looks like, and on this my account I'm having $6.30. Okay, so I just did a screenshot for the sake of this video, and we'll talk about next updates on surveys. Maybe probably next survey site that doesn't require a phone number and you can cash out from it. Stay tuned as we gradually move through this survey journey. So if you have any question, you can feel free to put it down on the comment section, or you can click on the WhatsApp community link on the video on my YouTube channel, and then we can talk on the group. If I'm not available on the group, I have also survey takers that are experts on the group that can handle solutions and give remedy to challenges on surveys. Alright, this should be the end of the video for now.